How to serve the divorce papers? Serving divorce papers is an important step in the divorce process in India. The petition for divorce must be delivered to the spouse to notify that the divorce proceedings have been initiated. This gives them a chance to respond to the petition. There are often high emotions involved when a marriage is ending. Skilled process servers know how to handle these sensitive cases professionally. Their experience helps the case proceed smoothly by avoiding unnecessary conflicts or issues. If the spouse accepts the petition, the process server simply delivers the documents. But if they refuse, the server can leave the papers in front of them. The law says delivery is still valid if they destroy the documents after receiving them. Sometimes the spouse deliberately avoids papers by leaving town. Process servers have ways to handle these difficult situations too. They can serve papers on a close family member at the same address. This is called substituted service and is valid in most places. The server gets details of the family members and notes it in the affidavit, but they check with the petitioner file before serving a substitute. An affidavit of service is created by the process server after delivery. It records details like when and where they served the papers. This affidavit proves the divorce petition was probably delivered as required by law. Going through a divorce is hard enough without added frustrations. Professional process serves knows the most effective ways to serve papers while avoiding conflicts. Their expertise and experience streamline this critical step so the legal case can move forward. If you want to learn about this topic in details, then visit our website www.lawnano.com. Links is given in the description below. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about divorce and family law in India.